Hi friends, in this video we are going to talk about how to change the language in Meesho. So without wasting any further time, let's get started. First of all, go and open up the Meesho app. So here we go. I am opening Meesho app. So after opening the Meesho app, basically we will get interface like this. So here if you want to change the language, so there are the lots of options, but I will explain it in a clear way and in a simple way. But before that, if you want to change further, you need to go to the Play Store and update the app, because what I am using, this is the updated version of the Meesho. So if you are using old version, then what options I am getting, that options you won't get. So kindly go to the Play Store, update. After going to the Play Store, you need to type in the search bar Meesho, then automatically app will come. And if you there is a option called update, you need to click on that. After 2 minutes, automatically update will be inserted into the Meesho app. So if you get open option, then you no need to update anything, already your app is updated, so you can open. So after opening, basically we will get interface like this. Now on bottom here, you can see bottom right corner, so there is a option called account with a man symbol, so you need to click on that. After that, here you can see change language, and this is the new feature that this Meesho members were added. It is a very new feature, that is the reason I'm explaining it very fastly. So you need to click on change language option. After change, click on change language option: Telugu, Hindi, Tamil, Kannada, Marathi, and I don't know these languages. So I think this is the Tamil, but I don't know these two languages, sorry. So what language do you want to put, you can put them. So for example, I'm selecting Telugu because Telugu is my mother language, so I've selected the Telugu. And afterwards, here you can see all the options were came in Telugu. So like this, easily you can change the options in the Meesho. Hope this video helped you. If this video helped you, then make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.